We release the word. That's what Jesus did. He released the words of the Father. Not only did he come to introduce us to the Father, but to show us the Father. And when we look at Jesus, we look and see this is what the Father looks like. This is what the Father thinks. This is how the Father acts. And so it should be for us as apostolic kingdom people that when people look at us, they should be saying, I see the sons of God. So I see the Father God. Because I'm looking at his representation in the earth. I am looking at his sons. And his sons have his authority. His sons have his power. His sons do his works. His sons think like he thinks. They talk like he talks. They act like he acts. And they react like he reacts.